Hello learners, welcome to the channel. In this video, I am going to explain you Class 6, Lesson 6 English Reader In the Heart of a Seed. In the Heart of a Seed, it is a poem. Okay, so what is the meaning of In the Heart of a Seed? Do you know seed? Yes, the plants grow from seed. Yes, so the plant is inside the seed. So how is it? What happened in this poem? Let's study. In the heart of a seed, buried deep, so deep, a dear little plant lay fast asleep. In the heart of a seed, seed के heart में क्या था? है ना, buried बहुत ही गहराई में, deep में, ठीक है? A dear little plant lay fast asleep, जो कि अच्छे से सो रहा था. Okay? Yes. Wake, said the sunshine, and creep to the light. Wake, said the voice of the raindrops bright. अब said the sunshine. Sunshine ने क्या कहा? Wake, उसे जागने के लिए कहा. किसे? ये जो buried deep plant है, जो सो रहा है, उसे जागने के लिए कहा. Okay? And creep to the light. Creep means yes, creep means आना. Okay, बाहर आओ. Come into the light. Creep to the light. Wake, said the voice. और उस जो voice थी, किसकी voice? Of the raindrops bright. जो bright raindrops थी, उसने क्या कहा? Wake, wake up. कि अब morning हो गई, अब तुम्हें उठना है और क्या बनना है? Plant बनना है. Yes, very simple poem. You can do it easily. The little plant heard and it rose to see what the wonderful outside world might be. Little plant क्या हुआ? ये बात सुना, heard, hear. Past form of the hear is heard. And it rose to see. R-O-S-E, rose is the past form of rise. R-I-S-E, rise. Okay? So, rise and rose. R-O-S-E, rose. Okay? What the wonderful आउटसाइड वर्ल्ड माइट बी, कि कितना अच्छा वर्ल्ड हो सकता है. वाओ, कितना वंडरफुल वर्ल्ड है ना, जो बाहर की दुनिया थी. जब ये प्लांट बाहर आया, है ना, जो डीप, जो बिल्कुल बरी मतलब गहराई में दबा हुआ था, जब वो जागा तो उसने देखा कि जो बाहर की दुनिया है वो कितनी ही कैसी है, वंडरफुल है, ब्यूटीफुल है. ओके, यस, so this is a very simple and very easy small poem. Okay, word meanings: buried, hid or covered with soil. Yes, creep, to grow along the ground or a surface. Okay, ugna, to grow along. Rose, past tense of rise. Get up, come up to a surface or height. Okay, yes, so now our exercise starts. Reading comprehension. Answer the following questions. So question number 1. Who asked the little plant to wake up? So who asked the little plant to wake up? The sunshine and the voice of raindrops. Yes. So the voice of raindrops and the sunshine. Okay? And the sunshine said the little plant to wake up. What did the little plant see when it rose? What did the little plant see when it rose? The little plant saw the wonderful world outside when it rose. Question number 3. Whom does the sunshine wake up every morning? Make a list. So, the sunshine wakes up dear little plant and creatures, human beings, birds, animals, okay, every morning. So sunshine तो सभी को जगाती है ना morning में. Yes. Question number 4. Write the lines from the poem which describe the above picture. Yes. So which picture? Above picture means this picture. So wake, set the sunshine and creep to the light. So this is the line from the poem, or you can write according to the picture. Yes, wake set the sunshine and creep to the light. Wake set the voice of the raindrops bright. So these are the lines from the poem which describe the above picture. Yes, done. Next, our exercise. Yes, vocabulary. Add a few more words that rhyme with the following words. So it's very simple, very easy. Deep, yes, deep, creep, and you can do it yourself. Bright, white, sight, wake, cake, make. Yes, now grammar portion. Complete the following table. So this table is very important because in this table 3 forms of the verbs are given. This is your verb simple form, or you can say present form, and this is your V2 past form of the verb, and this is your past participle form of the verb, or you can say third form. Okay, so creep, second will be V2 will be crept, creep, crept, crept. Okay, next is wept. So here it's not wept actually, it should be weep. Okay, it's printing mistake. Weep, wept, and third form is also wept. Next is sweep. Sweep, swept, swept. Fourth is sleep. Okay, again the same mistake, it is sleep, and slept will come here. Sleep, slept, slept. Keep, kept, kept. So you must remember 3 forms of the verb. Grammar portions, verb, very important part. Okay. Now next is activity. Yes, listen to the passage and clap every time the ball hits something. Okay. So you have to go the appendix 1 lesson 6. So we will do this activities, and when we will finish all the chapters. Okay, project work. Search the internet and find more poems on the birth of a plant. So it's your homework. Okay, you have to comment poem, name of the poems, which explains about the birth of a plant. So it's very simple, very interesting, and very easy poem. So thank you for watching.